First things first, a massive thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel so far. I have been blown away by the reception from people all around the world, and I never could have imagined hitting my 12-month target of 500 subscribers in just over 2.5 months. So thank you so much. You are all absolute legends. As you hopefully will have seen by now, the Svartpilen absolutely crushed our adventure ride through Tasmania. And now that I'm back to the daily grind, the next thing that I want to work on is actually my own riding skills. There are a few near misses on that Tassie trip that I probably could have avoided if I were a better rider. So I thought it might be fun to head out on some Enduro style trails, try and sharpen up my skills a little bit and push this thing even further. And I dragged Wayno along on his big Mexican woman for some fun out in the bush, and holy shit, did we have some fun. So I actually lost count of the amount of times this thing bottomed out during that trip through the bush. But despite a pretty decent checkover, I don't think I managed to damage anything. I will never get sick of telling people how much I love this bike and how deceptively capable it is, both on and off the road. My riding skills are getting there. There's definitely some more room to grow. I'm going on a couple more overnight adventures in the coming weeks, so hopefully you will keep your eyes peeled for that. If you made it this far, thanks for sticking around, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.